Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Internet of Things device management. Today, we'll explore the critical aspects of provisioning, monitoring, and updating IoT devices throughout their operational lifecycle. Managing thousands of connected devices requires robust systems and processes, and we'll break down each component to help you understand how modern IoT infrastructure works. IoT device management is the comprehensive process of onboarding, organizing, monitoring, and maintaining connected devices throughout their entire operational lifecycle. This involves securely connecting devices to the network, continuously monitoring their health and performance, remotely configuring and controlling them, and ensuring security and compliance at every stage. Think of it as the central nervous system that keeps thousands or even millions of devices running smoothly and securely across diverse locations and environments. Device provisioning is the critical first step in getting your IoT devices ready for action. The process begins with registration, where each device receives a unique identity and credentials. Next comes authentication, where the device's identity is verified using digital certificates or cryptographic keys. After verification, the device undergoes configuration, receiving its network parameters and operational settings. Finally, activation enables the device to communicate with the IoT platform and begin its operational duties. This systematic approach ensures that only authorized devices join your network. There are 4 main provisioning methods, each suited for different scenarios. Factory provisioning involves configuring devices during manufacturing with pre-installed credentials, making it ideal for mass production with high security requirements. Just-in-time provisioning allows devices to receive credentials when first connecting to the network, offering flexibility for dynamic deployments. User-assisted provisioning requires manual setup through apps or web interfaces, perfect for consumer devices and small-scale deployments. Finally, bulk provisioning configures multiple devices simultaneously using automation tools, which is essential for large enterprise deployments with thousands of devices. Keeping track of thousands of devices in real time requires comprehensive monitoring across multiple dimensions. Health status monitoring tracks connectivity, uptime, and operational status to ensure devices are functioning properly. Performance metrics include CPU usage, memory consumption, bandwidth utilization, and response times. Resource usage tracking monitors battery levels, storage capacity, and power consumption, which is critical for battery-powered devices. The system also provides alerts and notifications for failures and anomalies, tracks geographic distribution and movement of devices, and detects security events such as unauthorized access attempts and potential threats. Modern IoT platforms provide sophisticated monitoring tools and dashboards to manage device fleets effectively. Real-time dashboards offer visual overviews of your entire device fleet with customizable widgets, charts, and multi-device comparison views. Alert management systems provide configurable threshold alerts with email and SMS notifications, escalation workflows, and alert prioritization. Analytics engines deliver predictive maintenance insights, usage pattern analysis, anomaly detection algorithms, and performance trend reports. Centralized logging systems collect all device logs with advanced search and filtering capabilities, log retention policies, and comprehensive audit trail maintenance for compliance and troubleshooting. Keeping IoT devices secure and up-to-date is essential for long-term operations. There are 4 main types of updates. Firmware updates modify the core system software to fix bugs, improve performance, and add new features to device hardware. Software updates focus on application-level improvements for device functionality, user interfaces, and operational enhancements. Security patches are critical updates that address vulnerabilities, security flaws, and emerging threats to device integrity. Configuration updates allow you to change device settings, parameters, and operational policies without modifying the underlying code, providing flexibility in device management. Over-the-air updates, or OTA, enable you to update devices remotely without physical access. The process follows 5 key steps. First, prepare the update by creating and thoroughly testing the update package with proper validation. Second, distribute the update by uploading it to the cloud and notifying target devices. Third, devices download the update securely in the background without disrupting operations. Fourth, the installation phase applies the update with built-in rollback capability in case of failures. Finally, the verification step confirms successful installation and devices report their status back to the management platform. This seamless process is crucial for maintaining large-scale IoT deployments. Deploying updates to thousands of devices requires careful strategy selection. Staged rollout gradually updates devices in phases or groups, minimizing risk by testing on small groups first. Blue-green deployment maintains 2 separate environments and switches between them, providing instant rollback capability if issues occur. Canary release updates a small subset first as early indicators to detect problems before full deployment. Scheduled updates deploy during maintenance windows or off-peak hours to reduce impact on operations. Percentage-based deployment updates a specific percentage of the fleet randomly for balanced risk distribution. Emergency push provides immediate deployment for critical security fixes, enabling rapid response to urgent vulnerabilities. Managing IoT devices at scale comes with significant challenges. Key challenges include managing device diversity and heterogeneity across different platforms, ensuring security at scale with proper authentication mechanisms, handling network connectivity issues and bandwidth constraints, coordinating updates without disrupting operations, and maintaining backward compatibility across multiple device generations. To address these challenges, best practices include implementing strong encryption and certificate-based authentication, using automated monitoring with predictive analytics, designing fail-safe update mechanisms with rollback options, maintaining detailed device inventory and metadata, and thoroughly testing updates before mass deployment. Following these practices ensures robust, secure, and scalable IoT device management.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.